All right, I'm back, and today I am going to be talking about the math packet pages and how to solve them for Thursday. Okay, so you're going to be given addition problems, and you are going to need to do regrouping for some of them and not for others. So let me show you the whiteboard. All right, so I just randomly picked number 11, and the problem is, what is 548 plus 406? So I want to remind you of these math words. These are our addends, and we're looking for the sum. All right, there's a couple different ways we've learned to do this, and today I'm just going to be reviewing how to do it the traditional way with our lines down the middle, and then how to do it with drawing blocks, our base 10 blocks. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is our lines down the middle. This is all review. Separate out our hundreds, tens, and ones. You guys know I'd like to put our H for hundreds, our T for tens, our O for ones, and you should remember, because we've done this a lot, we don't start with the hundreds, we don't start with the tens, we start in the ones. So let's begin. 8 plus 6. Use your strategies. You know you can use your fingers, you can draw dots, you can use a number line, you can draw pictures, you can go get cereal in your house and get 8 of them and 6 more, and then add them up. Or most of you hopefully just know it by now too. 8 plus 6, hopefully you're saying it's 14. All right, we've learned we cannot put 14 there. We have, if it's 10 or more, we have to bring the others next door. Okay, so we have to regroup. We've put the 4 here, and we regroup and put the 10 up there. There's my box. All right, this is nothing new. We've learned to do this. So we know our ones place, we're left with 4 ones here. So we've regrouped. All right, now let's do our tens. We have 1 10 plus 4 10 plus 0 tens. You guys know this is like 10 plus 40 plus 0. Okay, use your strategies. Hopefully you do it right. You got 5 or 50. So we know we're going to have 54 in our answer. Finally, we have to do our hundreds. Okay, we didn't have to regroup at all because this was less than 10. So we just have to add 5 plus 4. Use your strategies. Hopefully you figured it out. 5 plus 4 is 9. Our answer is 954. Okay, I want to point out too, this was not just doing 5 plus 4, but it was 500 plus 400, which brings us to that 900. So 954. When you get to the second page, it's going to say, circle the ones, I think, that are greater than 500. So is 954 greater? Yes, you are going to circle it. All right, now I'm going to show you what we could do if we were going to do blocks. So 548 plus 406 with blocks. 548 plus 406. Okay, so I'm going to draw blocks down here. Okay, I'm going to start with my hundreds blocks, 5 of them. So 100, just like we've learned in class, 200, 300, 400, 500, 40, 10, 20, 30, 40, 8. 8 ones. Now that is all review. Now I need to add to it my 406. So I put my plus sign. I'm going to add 4 new hundreds. 0 tens, but then 6 ones. All right, now here we go. I'm going to start adding again with the ones first. Now, do I have 10 or more? If I do, I'm going to circle them and regroup them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, I did have more. So I'm going to circle those 10. All right, and just like we did in class, I'm going to say, goodbye 10 little ones. But don't worry, I'm turning you into a big 10, and there's the big 10, which is why we put that 1 in that box earlier. Okay, see, we're left with 4 ones, which is why we have that 4 there, our 4 ones. Okay, now we know we're going to have 4 there in my 1 spot. Now let's do the tens. I've got these 4 plus our new ones. We got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, or 5 tens. So we know we have the 5 there, which is why we put a 5 there earlier. And finally, my hundreds. Here we go. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900. So I have 9 hundredths. My answer is 954. And is it greater than that 500? It is. All right, I hope this helps you as you do your math packet pages for today.